Good morning, guys. It's day 2 and we have a conference gathering this morning. I'll show you guys obviously what I can, and yeah, let me get up. I practically have less than 1 hour to get ready, and no breakfast this morning, because if you're following by now it will be over. I don't know when this video will come, but we fast every Friday, guys. Joyful Mothers things. So yeah, let me go and shower and get this face popping and slay pictures and all of that good stuff. Amen. Hi guys, so I'm done now and I'm rushing. Please, what is my excuse? When I'm at home, I'll say it's my child, it's my child. Now I am exactly 11 minutes late. Bad behavior. Okay, tell you, bad behavior. Anyway, this is my outfit. Let me try to show you guys. In the mirror, I'm feeling myself. So I just have this blazer on. This is actually very yellow, matches my earrings, but in this flickering light it's changing. And this is a maternity, what's it called, inner that I actually bought when I was pregnant, and still rocking it. I like that it's a bit oversized now with regular pants and my Converse. This is what I look like. See, Ijakuje, because I did facials before coming here, alright? So I don't know what this is doing here, but I go now, I go. Alright guys, see you at the venue. Invisible God, you're the miracle worker. You are worthy, oh Lord.
Your husband cheated on you. That's one of the saddest things a woman can go through. Saddest. Maybe the death of a child is the only thing that is sweet. It is not me. And women have walked through it by God's grace. You are going to go through 5 solid stages when your husband cheats. Number 1, you're going to go through shock. Shock! That is the major challenge that women that have happy homes face.
Yes, ma'am.
When you are very close to your husband, when you are truly happy, when you are given, when you are involved, you are not just one of those wives. That is a major, quote unquote, disadvantage. You're richer than your husband. Let me tell you the reality of life now. Now, this is the season for women. That's right. God is a God of times and seasons. God is raising more women now. God is blessing more women because He needs our alabaster box of ointment to anoint the body for Jesus' second coming. So He must provide it. Yes. Women are becoming very wealthy. So you are not even the only one in that. No, you're not. But God is trusting wealth into the hands of women that carry it with grace and wisdom. If you are married, there is a way you don't flaunt your wealth. The man may not say anything, but every man has ego. Any woman that does not have money this next time, you will suffer, your children will suffer. Because there are some things that you don't need to tell daddy. Yes, ma'am. You are right, ma'am. I'm telling you. Yes. So every woman, all of you, raise your two. The Lord will give you your own. Amen. You will not be at the mercy of your husband. Amen. God will lift your head. Amen. Jesus. Amen.
Well, she's like the biological last born, but like the main last born.
Take your place, my dear.
Mom, how did I get so blessed? How can my mentor from afar ended up being my mom-in-law. Like, how? When I was in uni, the first time I heard I grew up in Akure as well, and you know, I know Agape as the church, but my parents are Redeemed, so I grew up in Redeemed. However, there was a program I went for in Agape one day, and then I didn't get to see mom because it was dad who preached. So I knew the family, but I didn't know mom personally, I didn't know the children personally. But I was in 400 level in Bowen, and one of my friends told me, oh, there is a message I want you to listen to. And it was weird because we click, it's not like we used to do spirit. So the fact that she just told me randomly, I know it was divine orchestration. So she gave me mom's message, and it was about being a woman of impact and marriage. I watched that message, I can't count, because when I would say, come, you need to see this message, I will watch it over and over with the person again. So the number of times I listened to that message, I can't even remember. And that was the day that, you know, growing up, I just knew that, okay, I have 3 sisters, my mom gave birth to 4 girls, no boy. And you know, my mom's a role model, she's hardworking. So for me, it was just hard work, career, business, you have to make it. I never for one before that message know that you can actually make your marriage ministry. But from that CD, there was a fire that sparked in me, and I knew that no matter how great of a woman of impact you become in business or career, your marriage must also be good. And it is amazing that I now got to marry her son. So like the seeds that you sowed in my life through that message, I can also, you know, give it back in the same vein. I'm so thankful, Mom. And as a mom-in-law, I have people that envy me because they're like, how you're so lucky. When I'm talking about the kind of relationship, in fact, most times people see it already that I have with you, Mom. Even me, it has to believe sometimes. Because I know people that their mother-in-law are just tormentors to say the least. And it's not like, oh, you know how you can know a lot of good marriages and you just hear of one bad in passing. No. It's more like there are so many evil mother-in-laws. And then they are not like, just feel good. Also, to be part of the, you know, people that are experiencing bliss in the relationship with one's mother-in-law is amazing. Thank you so much, Mom, for the great example in being a mother. The kind of relationship that my husband has with Mom. It is so beautiful, but yet has, you know, I'm not afraid in any way. It is so beautiful, yet so secure. And it's now, oh, I'm so thankful, Mom. I'm so thankful. I love you. I could never, ever, I don't know any prayer that I've ever said to deserve a mom-in-law like you. I will not stand up, Mommy. I love you so much.
Rali Handurubu Shata, Zadaraba Yegebo Soto, Rikitaramak Sata, Ise Shutaraba Yakaba, Omaleke Setere, Kazada Rabaya.
I just want to say thank you for serving us. I will pray for you that the Lord will bless you.
Amen.
Promote you.
Amen.
Put all your heart desires and make this year one of the best years.
Amen.
In Jesus' name.
Amen. Hi guys, so we're done now and I'm just grabbing something to eat. Let me show you guys. Okay. I was just having some chicken sandwich, blah 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 blah, and an apple. I broke earlier though. I broke around like few minutes to 1. I ate cookies and watermelon. It's very little, so I'm actually starving. But we're supposed to go to the market. I dare not go empty stomach. So yeah, the program was fantastic. I want to go and look for where to take pictures before I eat. But guys, the highlights, oh, let me show you what I got. Can you guys see? How can my husband do this to me? How can he send me pictures this cute? When he sent it, I'm like, wait, how in this life did I get so blessed? Then there's a video. Let me play it for you guys. I'm like, oh my god. Can you guys hear what she said? She's just laughing. She's the cutest ever. I'm like, my chest. Anyway, I'm about to eat now. Oh, and I also wanted to show you guys that one of the lovely women, she came from Belgium. She brought me this beautiful bag. She goes, I know you love matte lipstick, so here you go. Let me show you guys some of them, okay? I haven't even seen them. Like, I'm just trying to, not like I've opened them to know what the content is. I'm just trying to also see. But let's see together. Oh. Designer. Oh my god, I didn't know what I've been carrying about this. God bless you abundantly, Mrs. Jacqueline from Belgium. Thank you so much. This is beautiful. I see red. And then she brought me, is this a glow kit or what? This is some powder of some sort, long wear powder, eyeshadow, and what's this? Illuminating powder. Oh, Chanel, thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Yes. Let's see how this one is. Oh my, you guys are gonna be seeing this. It's gonna be popping. Thank you so much, ma. I'll see you guys in the market. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Introduce yourself.
Introduce?
Yes, introduce
what
yourself.
Do you want me to do?
This is Mortaza.
Hi there.
We always fight over the phone, but now I've seen each other.
Fight, don't worry.
I've seen each other for the first time because I'm in Dubai. It's so good to see you in person.
Same here.
Guys, I've finished spending all the money I brought to Dubai on man. I changed my mind to buy for business. I now stop fine clothes for PG. Anyway, we're at a Nigerian restaurant now and we want to eat food. Let me show you guys. You already knew I was vlogging, Abby. I can already smell like Eba and Amala. Woo. Share for the outlet mall.
Tomorrow wear. So you're laughing for.
Anyway, hi guys, I'm back to the hotel now, and I want to show you guys the things I bought. But I'm having a conversation with Mrs. Onyison, and they're supposed to go to the outlet mall. I'm putting you on blast. So I'm telling her that, have you ever been to Dubai outlet mall? She said no, but she's not interested in going. How do you come to a foreign country? And then she's insisting that, Dubai outlet mall is not like an experience. But how do you tell people that you've been to Dubai outlet mall before?
I don't tell anybody that I've been to Dubai outlet mall. It's not like you're saying, no, let's go to the Dubai Zoo or the Dubai Museum or something. It's a mall. It's like going to Dubai mall.
What is in Dubai?
It's not even in Dubai. It's in Sharjah.
Sharjah is in UAE.
What I'm saying is that even if you go
look at yourself when you're saying this. Continue.
I'm saying that basically it's the same thing. It's just like going to the mall. It's just that because it's an outlet mall, you're gonna get better prices. And I'm a big girl, like I don't do cheap things.
Before we come to this big girl, she doesn't want to buy stuff, and I'm like, no, you don't want to buy stuff.
All the money I have is this $100.
Like, hey, you want me to put it on blast here? You want me to show the bed? But my point is even that I was giving that the example when I went to Kenya, that till tomorrow, I'm actually also the type of person that if I travel, I just want to be in my room. But when I went to Kenya and I did not end up going to see that safari because they said you have to wake up by 6, I'm like, no, I didn't want to wake up. Since that time, I made up my mind that, because when everybody is saying, you know, have you been to Kenya? I'm like, yeah, so did you see this safari? Like, no. So waiting again.
Nothing.
So if somebody is talking tomorrow,
but it's not an experience. Let me just tell you.
It's still an experience.
The mall is not an experience.
Even if you don't buy anything, the fact that you can go walk around.
I don't believe
see what it looks like. You guys, please let us know in the comment section.
Please
below,
let us know.
so that we can know.
Going to the mall. I've been to the mall.
You've been to Dubai Mall. You've been to Mall of Emirates. You've been to City Center.
Another mall again.
But
I've been to all those malls. So going to that mall is just a mall. It's just that going there, I would get things for cheaper.
Don't even buy anything, but just go and see how it looks.
Why do you want to see how it looks, though?
I don't even understand. You people should just let me know what you think in the comment section below. Meanwhile, let me show you what I bought. Okay, so I bought some beddings for our house. Absolutely lovely. For our room. But this one, and I also bought this one. I love it. Also, I bought this for Suteria. It's like a swinging toy thing. But the eyes of this thing is even looking scary. I'm going to cut off these lashes, please. Don't come and scare my daughter. Then, I don't know if I showed you guys this one already. This for hubby. I decided not to buy anything business, so I bought for man instead. Inside life. Then, this is my food. This is my leftover food, and I bought some samosas as well. So yeah, that's it, guys. And gonna go sleep now. And I'll see you guys day 3. Today is OVER. Just gonna take a shower and sleep. Alright, guys. See you tomorrow.
I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I